going to talk about linear inequalities with two variables. So this is going to have an x and a y. And we want to talk about all the possible solutions on the coordinate plane or on the graph. So to get your solutions for a linear inequality with two variables, you're going to answer in a graph. Like it's the solution set is so big you have to have a graph. Since what we shade is two-dimensional as opposed to the number line, the shaded region on a graph represents all the x and y combinations that make the inequality true. So anything, any input and output that's going to make that inequality true is going to be included in your solution set. The solution set to a linear inequality is represented by a shaded graph. So to answer these, you will have to shade the graph. So let's talk about how to solve one of these. So look at this problem. Y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 1. So I've already got it shaded for you, but I'm going to walk you through the process. So this right here is going to tell you if you have a dotted or solid line. Okay? This, if you think of it with the equal sign, tells you what your boundary line is. Okay, so if I was working this problem, I would say, okay, my y-intercept is positive 1, right here. That's where we get this point. And I'm going to go down 1, right 1, and I would put a couple points. As you can see, my boundary line's filling in. This, with the line under it, tells me that it's a solid. Okay? So solid's going to be like this, or like this. And a dotted is going to be this or this. And then I determine what side I'm going to shade on. So I just pick a random point, 2, 2. So when x is 2 is y, and y is 2 is this true. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Is 2 greater than or equal to negative 1? Yes, so this includes. Now, let's try another point over here to see if this side's true. If x is 0, then y is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Is 0 greater than 1? No, so this side is not included. So get the linear inequality first into slope-intercept form. Remember, if you multiply or divide by negative, you have to flip the inequality sign. That's the number one mistake people make. Then you're going to graph it as if it were a linear function. So you're going to graph it like normal. You're going to plot the y-intercept, you're going to do the rise and run, and you're going to graph a few points. Okay? So let's think about when we talked about one variable inequalities. Remember this was empty, like it was an empty circle. It's because it wasn't included. And these mean that it is included. So we're going to use kind of the same thing, except for you're going to look at the inequality sign to determine your graphed or your boundary line is included or not. So if you have less than or greater than, you're going to have a dotted line. And if you have less than or equal to or greater than and equal to, you're going to draw a solid line. Okay? Solid line under the inequality means a solid line on your graph. Then you're going to shade the side that has a solution set, where an ordered pair makes inequality true. You're going to find out if it's true by doing a test. You're going to choose an ordered pair and do a test. If it's false, shade the other side. If it's true, shade that side. Okay? You can always pause this video at any point. You must pick an ordered pair that is not on the line. 0, 0 is a great one because it's easy to input in your head, like to do it quickly in your head, as long as it's not on the line. So let's look at this. Let's look at this problem. What is our y-intercept? Well, that's easy. It's 0, 4. What is our slope? -2, 1. Look at our inequality sign. Is it solid? Does this mean our line's going to be solid or dotted? It's going to be dotted because it's not included. Okay, it's going to be dotted. And then we're going to test a point. So let's graph our line first. 0, 4. We're going to go down 2 to the right 1. We said it was going to be dotted. Now I'm going to determine what point am I going to use as my test point. Well, 0, 0 is a great one. So I'm going to use 0, 0. -2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Is 4 greater than 0? Yes. So it's included. So all of these are a part of my solution set. So 5 things you need to know about graphing linear inequalities. You need to know the type of boundary line. You need to know the y-intercept. You need to know the slope type. Is it going to be positive? Is it going to be negative? Is it going to be undefined? Or y equals just a flat line? You need to be able to find the change, or the change in y over the change in x, and you need to be able to test points for shading. Okay, it's important that you know this because our next step is going to be systems of inequalities. Without graphing, what do we know about the graph of y is greater than 3x minus 1? Well, we can tell that it is dotted, so it's not included. The y-intercept is 0, -1. We can tell that by this. The slope is positive. The slope is 3/1 or -3/-1, either one of those. And can we tell that 0, 0 is part of the solution set? 0 is greater than 0 minus 1. Is 0 greater than -1? Yes. So we know that 0, 0 is part of the solution. And we didn't even have to graph it. Without graphing, what do we know about the graph of 3x minus 5y is greater than 10? Well, first thing you got to do is put it in slope-intercept form. And you get this. So we know that the line is, because of this, we know that the boundary line is dotted. It's not included. We know our y-intercept is 0, -2. We know the slope is positive. It's a rise of 3 and a run of 5, or -3 and -5. And if you plug in 0, 0 is less than -2 is not true. So 0, 0 is not a part of this solution set. Which graph represents this inequality? Well, the first thing we need to do is to put it in slope-intercept form. 2x minus 2y is greater than, sorry, that's not supposed to be there, 8. So -2y is greater than -2x plus 8. Y is less than x minus 4. Okay, so -4 it automatically takes out this one and this one. We know it's dotted, so now we've got to figure out our slope is 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So it's this one or this one. Let's figure out where if 0, 0 is included. 0 is less than 0 minus 4. Is 0 less than negative 4? No. So it's this one. Because we shade where 0, 0 is not a part of the solution set. Here's some others for you to try. Which graph represents the inequality? First thing you want to do is put it in slope-intercept form. You find your answer and we'll check back here. Pause your video. You should have got an answer of A. Our y-intercept is 2. It's a solid line. When you plug in 0, 0, it's included in the solution set. Write the linear inequality for the graph shown. So let's think about what this is. It's going to be a solid line. Okay? 0, 0 is included. It has a slope up 2, right 3. Rise 2, run 3. Its y-intercept is 0, 2. So we know that it's y 2/3 x plus 2. Now we've got to say is it less than or greater than and equal to? We know it's got the equal to. Well, let's plug this in at 0, 0 since we know it's a solution and see which way would make it true. Is 0 0. Is 0 greater than 2 or is it less than 2? Which one of those is going to be true? 0 is greater than 2 or less than 2? It's less than. So there is our equation. Let's do this one. It's dotted. Our y-intercept is -1. Our slope is down 1, right 3, -1/3 x. Okay? It's dotted. That's our boundary line. So it's dotted. We got to figure out is 0, 0 true. So is 0 less than or greater than -1? It's greater than. So when I do this, I think of, okay, here's my boundary point. What is shaded? The ones that are greater than this point or less than this point? Greater than. So that's where I get that from. Is this a possible solution? Well, you have to see if it's true. So when we input this in, 4 times 2 is 8. -3 times -3 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Is 17 greater than 8? Yes. So it is a part of the solution set. Sometimes you may have to write the word problems, linear inequality word problems. Here's some things that you can remember. More than is greater than the total. At least, greater than or equal to. Less than, no more than, less than or equal to. Let's see how you do on some problems yourself.